Hello guys, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a password generator in Python. So basically what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to make you a simple program which is going to be very useful for people who wants to have a secure password. For example, the user is going to enter the length of the password that he want to create. After that, after entering the length of the password, it is going to generate a random password for the user. So first of all, we need to have a import random module because we need to do some stuff with random related things. Therefore we have to have that functionality. The functionality can be found in the random module, so therefore I have added the random module to this program. The next things I want to find out is this is going to be this one, the data. Okay, I'm going to explain what is this. So basically this one is going to be all of the characters from the keyboard, such as lowercase a to z to uppercase a to z and numbers and other symbols. So we're going to use this data to generate sample. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell Python, hey Python, generate a secure password according to a certain length from this given data. So the Python is going to shuffle the data and tries to find you a secure password for you. So the process is going to be very simple. So I'm going to type something like, the next things I'm going to say is going to be user input. So length, length, okay, length, okay, length of the password is going to be, it is entered by the enter the password length, enter the password length. So I'm asking the user to enter the password length. Then what I want to do, I have to have the generated password. I'm going to save it as a join over here. What I'm going to say, I'm going to type something like random.sample. So this is the method which is going to explore this data and it is going to extract a new data from this given data. This sample function I haven't teach you in the basic section, but the sample function, the purpose of the sample function is to study the data you have given and tries to give you a sample data from the given data by shuffling it. So I'm gonna say data, from data I want the length of length, which means the user given length. Then what I want to do, I want to print out the generated password to the screen. So you may face many problem here. The reason why I use int is to convert. By default the input is going to given a string data. We can't do anything with the string data because we need to have an integer over here. Therefore I have casted this data to numbers. That's why I use int method over here. Okay, and the next things I use a simple empty string. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just add join, mean it is going to join all of the characters. This program is going to run according to this length and it is going to return a specific one key from here. So we need to join one by one like this, okay, one by one. So that's why I use join method. So if I run this program, he will successfully generate a secure password. So it's going to say enter the length. I'm going to say 10, so it will create 10 length password. So if you enter 10 again, it is going to return you a different password every time you enter a certain value, because this shuffle, like I said before, because this sample method will shuffle this data and try to extract a new data from this data according to the length. For example, if I give you 2 over here, okay, oh my god, okay, I'm going to end everything perfectly, or 2, it is going to shuffle the data, it is going to run 2 times and it is going to extract the data and it is going to join everything together. Okay guys, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is how you can create your password generator in Python. I will see you in the next video.